Two big contenders in small business accounting. One burning question, which one truly makes running your business easier? On one side, we have FreshBooks, known for its intuitive design and invoicing. On the other, we have a popular free option for entrepreneurs and freelancers. We're diving into real-world scenarios business owners face, features, ease of use, pricing, integrations, customer support, and more. Let's drop the hype and see what these platforms really offer. Each area racks up points, and at the end, you'll know exactly which software takes the crown. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Before we get deep into it, let me lay out the categories we're comparing these two on. We're looking at price, features, reporting, how easy they are to use, integrations with other tools, and finally, support. Trust me, each one of these can totally change your day-to-day workflow, so stick with me. Let's start with price. Honestly, one of the biggest factors for most of us. Wave is, well, completely free for the basics, which is wild. No setup, no sneaky fees lurking in the shadows. FreshBooks, on the other hand, does have a 30-day free trial, but after that, you're looking at paid plans starting around $17 a month. So if money's tight or you just want to try something out risk-free, Wave, hands down, feels like a game changer here. Okay, what about features? FreshBooks is absolutely loaded. I'm talking time tracking, project management, even client portals, and proposals. Pretty robust. But yeah, not every feature is unlocked unless you're willing to pay more. Meanwhile, Wave covers the essentials, invoicing, estimates, receipt scanning, and you can bolt on some stuff like payroll if you pay extra. It's totally solid, but if you're craving more advanced project tools or you're a team wanting extras, you'll start to feel the limitations. So this round gotta give it to FreshBooks. Moving on to reporting. FreshBooks lets you customize reports, see your expenses, taxes, the whole shebang, except no fancy inventory tracking. Wave has your basic profit and loss, sales tax, and expense reports, which get the job done for a lot of folks, but, nothing super fancy. If you're all about those detailed breakdowns, FreshBooks definitely takes the edge this time. Oh, and quick fun fact while we're at it, did you know Wave's co-founder was actually a professional magician? Not even kidding. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Both are, honestly, pretty slick here. FreshBooks looks modern, feels intuitive, and they pile on the support resources if you need a hand. There is a little learning curve once you dig into the advanced features, though. Wave? It's seriously user-friendly like. You could jump in with zero experience and not freak out. Support's mostly email unless you pay. But overall, both are awesome, so I'm calling this one a tie. Integrations. Oh, and here's something cool. FreshBooks plugs into just about everything. Stripe, Zapier, Gusto, hundreds of apps. Some integrations are only available with top-tier plans though, so just a heads up. Wave? It does the basics. Bank accounts, PayPal, payroll, but not a ton more than that. If you're all about automating your workflow, FreshBooks totally wins this time. Now, support. If something blows up at midnight, who actually answers you? With FreshBooks, you can literally call or email no matter what plan you're on, plus there's a ton of helpful documentation. Wave? You do get some help docs, community stuff, but actual live chat or phone support? Only if you pay for premium features. So yeah, for straight up reliability, FreshBooks comes out on top again. Alright, here's the visual breakdown of everything we've just talked about. Let's stack up FreshBooks and Wave side by side and see which one pulls ahead in each area. It's a pretty interesting spread. So overall thoughts? If you're looking for advanced features, something you can grow with, and top-notch support, FreshBooks is probably your best bet. But honestly, if you want something simple, easy, and totally free, Wave is kind of a no-brainer. Each has their vibe, but today, FreshBooks just edges out with those extra tools and support. That's our winner. Hey, if you got something out of this and you want more honest reviews or small business tips, hit subscribe and stick around. See you next time.